Question number 46. Solve 5.32 into 56 plus 5.32 into 44 divided by 7.66 raised to power 2 minus 2.34 raised to power 2 equal to sign of interrogation. Solution is 5.32 multiplied by 56 plus 5.32 multiplied by 44 divided by 7.66 raised to power 2 minus 2.34 raised to power 2 equal to sign of interrogation. First of all, we are taking common 5.32 common and 56 in bracket plus this is common and 44 in bracket divided by a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square formula, that is a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it as a is 7.66 minus b is 2.34 into a plus b. 7.66 plus 2.34 a plus b. A equal to 7.66, b equal to 2.34. Then a square minus b square formula is a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b is 7.66 minus 2.34 and a plus b is 7.66 plus 2.34. Next step, that is equal to 5.32. This is multiplication, and 56 plus 44, that is equal to 100. 56 plus 44 is 100 divided by a minus b. 7.66 minus 2.34. 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. That is 5.32. A minus b equal to 5.32 and a plus b, that is 7.66 plus 2.34. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10, that is complete 10 into 10. 5.32 5.32 which is cancelled and 1 0 is cancelled and we get the answer, that is 10. Answer is 10. Given question 46, 5.32 into 56 plus 5.32 into 44 equal to sign of interrogation. First of all, we are taking common numerator 5.32. 5.32 is taking common and in bracket 56 plus 44. 56 plus 44 in bracket. Taking common 5.32 and denominator is a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. We are using the formula a minus b, that is 7.66 minus 2.34 a minus b, and a plus b is 7.66 plus 2.34 a plus b. When we are subtracting 7.66 and 2.34, then we get 5.32 and 7.66 plus 2.34, that is 10. 5.32, 5.32, which is cancelled, and 1 0 is cancelled, and we get 10. So answer is 10. Next question 47. Solve 1 upon 0.04 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question is 1 upon 0.04 equal to sign of interrogation. Point converting 1 and 04 is 2 zeros. That is 100 upon 4 equal to sign of interrogation. And 100 divided by 4, 25 4s are 100, which is cancelled by 25. So sign of interrogation is equal to 25. Answer. Given question is 1 upon 0.04 equal to sign of interrogation. So 0.04 we can write 4 and 100 multiplied by numerator. That is 100 upon 4. And 100 divided by 4, that is equal to 25 4s are 100. So we get sign of interrogation equal to 25. Answer. Next question 48. Solve 4 divided by 0.0025 equal to sign of interrogation. Next question is 4 divided by 0.0025 equal to sign of interrogation. Second step is 4 divided by 0.0025 equal to sign of interrogation. And then point convert in 4 into point is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. Numerator divided by 25 equal to sign of interrogation. And 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, and 25 400s are 10,000. 25 fours are 100 and 2 0. So 400 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 4 fours are 1600 equal to sign of interrogation. So sign of interrogation is equal to 1600. Answer. Given question is 4 divided by 0.0025 equal to sign of interrogation. 4 and divided by 0.0025 and point converting 10,000. Point is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 40 and divided by 25. 4 into 10,000 divided by 25. 25 fours are 100 and 25 400s are 10,000. Completely divisible by 400. 400 into 4, that is equal to 4 fours are 1600. So sign of interrogation equal to 1600. Answer. Next question 49. Solve 256 raised to power 0.16 into 16 raised to power 0.18 equal to sign of interrogation. 256 raised to power 0.16 into 16 raised to power 0.18 equal to sign of interrogation. Base is different. So first 256 we can write 16 16s are 256. 0.16 into 16 raised to power 0.18 equal to sign of interrogation. 256 we can write it as 16 16s are 256. That is 16 square. 16 raised to power 2 into 0.16 into 16 raised to power 0.18 18 equal to sign of interrogation. Base is equal, so 16 2s are 32. 16 raised to power 0.32 into 16 raised to power 0.18. That is equal to sign of interrogation. When base is equal, then power must be added. 16 raised to power 0.32 plus 0.18. 0.32, 0.18, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 5, 0.50, which implies 16 raised to power 0.50 equal to sign of interrogation, which implies 16 we can write 4 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power 0.50 equal to sign of interrogation. And 50 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 100. So 4 raised to power 0.50 into 2, that is 0, 0, 1. Then power is 52s are 100, 1.00, power is 1 equal to sign of interrogation. So sign of interrogation is equal to 4. Answer. Given question is 256 raised to power 0.16 into 16 raised to power 0.18. That is sign of interrogation. And 256 we can write it as 16 into 16. 16 multiplied by 16, that is equal to 256. So we can write 256 is 16 into 16 and 16 raised to power 2. Base equal, then 2 into 0.16. 0.16 2s are 0.32. 16 2s are 32, so 0.32. And 16 raised to power 18 as it is. Then base equal, power must be added. 0.32 plus 0.18, that is 0.50. And 16 we can write 4 square is 16, 4 raised to power 2, 4 4s are 16, and 2 multiply by power, that is 0.50 into 2. 0.50 into 2 is equal to 1.00, that is 1. So 4 raised to power 1 is equal to sign of interrogation, and sign of interrogation is equal to, that is equal to 4. Answer. Next question 50. If A is 1.9 and B is 2.1, then A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to sign of interrogation. Given A is equal to 1.9, B is equal to 2.1, then A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to sign of interrogation. As we know that A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to A plus B raised to power 2. A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to A plus B whole raised to power 2. Its formula. A plus B raised to power 2 is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then A is 1.9 plus B is 2.1 and whole raised to power 2. So 1.9 plus 2.1 equal to 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, that is 4.0, that is equal to 4. 4.0 means complete 4 and 4 raised to power 2. 4 into 4 equal to 16. Answer. Given question is A 1.9, B 2.1, and we find the value of A square plus 2AB plus B square. We know that A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to A plus B raised to power 2. So A is equal to 1.9 and B is equal to 2.1, and sum of A plus B equal to 1.9 plus 2.1 is equal to 4.0, that is equal to 4. And 4 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Answer. Thank you so much.